I know it wasn't easy, but you didn't give up. You observed the plant and learned what it needed. And I'll have you know, your grumblebine made the trip here safely. I'll make sure to take great care of it. Now, Nubs, care to show me how the rest of your garden's doing? Oh, look how that one's growing. Oh, beautiful. I wish I could follow them now.
Coming up next, Alice's Wonderland Bakery and a non-stop party.
Lesson number 1, to be a great Jedi. Learn to use the Force for the greater good. Lesson number 2, trust your friends. Together we will save the galaxy. Lesson number 3, master the lightsaber. The villains never rest. And this is just the beginning. Continue your training in Star Wars Young Jedi Adventures. Monday to Friday at 6:30 p.m. on Disney Junior.
Look at your dream house. Now look at your key. The balls on the table. Back at your key. Now ask yourself, do you really want Jilla's brain running around your house? Cut out the drama. Look at his bird.